we worked on that tree and we did that tree, and we've got 2 more trees out here to do. We've done some other work out here. We've been in these oaks and we've been up in this oak, but we had a failure. So yeah, the neighbors lost one. It's hung up on this oak right here. This is really the only tension branch that we've got to deal with. Didn't do horrible things really to this fence. That fence took quite a beating. This neighbor across this driveway actually already did some cutting on this just to clear the driveway because it was blocking. There's a little bit of wood in this tree, so we're gonna take it. That limb right there is gonna have a little bit of tension up in that tree. Get her down, taken care of.
Did you look underneath this stump?
Yeah, a little bit. Really soft over there on that side.
Way underneath there, it looks like there's fungus growing on the inside of it.
Yeah.
I was thinking, oh, you're about halfway, and then I thought, then I remembered, oh, no, you're right there, man.
Yeah, this is him. Nice tree. Really nice tree. That's some dead stuff hanging. Be careful, Dave. There is some pretty sizable dead stuff hanging around here and there. So they did make a hell of a cut on this one right here.
I was just seeing that. Is it a flat cut almost?
Well,
There's some damage up there.
yeah, I mean, anytime you make a cut,
On the left side of it, ragged.
yeah, quite. All right.
Need me?
I'm good.
Sand dirt?
Clear. This is my offending limb right here. Like this sliding. David, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just make a cut here. Bro? I think I'm just gonna go ahead and make a cut here and hope that it rolls out.
Okay.
Do you want me to put a tagline in it in case it does not? I think I want to be. I need to be lanyarded into this one. Huh?
You want to be behind and above it? What's the
I don't know. I don't think it's gonna do much, bud.
Yeah.
I really don't. And I'm definitely, as long as I'm behind this trunk, I'm in good shape. Little spring. Yes, sir.
Rocking that whole stump.
Yes, sir. You see anything else dead that I got in front of me here that I need to get hanging or whatever? what I want. I want to do this. Oh. All right. I'm just going to do it from the ground, dude.
How you feel?
I'm coming. I'm just going to do it from the ground.
Drop it from down here.
Yeah. I can't be comfortable.
Yeah.
For some reason.
I think you have too much angle.
Yeah, it's pulling on me too much. So, just drop it.
Yeah. Once you get your gear, and you want to put your gear out
Yeah.
over there, be on this side or no?
Yeah, I'll take it out. Barber chair.
Yeah.
Barber chair.
Yeah, no kidding.
All kinds of tension on that sucker. That's all right. You split part of his wood for him. That's good. Now what are you gonna do?
Work on that.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
Nice. Is it hollow?
Is it rotten?
Oh yeah, it's hollow.
Okay. Oh, you know where it's hollow too? It's hollow, I bet you, to this wound.
From
right,
that
this
one.
old wound right
Yeah.
here. It's full of water.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You want me to knock this chunk off over here?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. We can see it better.
I don't want to do it from this side. There you go, you're getting close. Nice. Out of there. Yeah. Makes for easy splitting though.
You gonna start down there, you think?
Yeah. Just watch and see how it acts, right?
Yeah.
Actually pretty nice.
Very nice.
Get
Thing,
something
maybe
under it,
maybe
huh?
We'll hold it up.
Yeah, yeah, right. Because I'm going to have to do it again.
Yeah, right.
Just let it settle. Oh, sorry, bud.
No, that's all right.
Let it settle into it, huh?
I think so.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Watch it, bud. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Close.
Not it.
Jeez. I thought it was. Yeah, okay.
Uh-huh.
There we go.
this is the second load. All the rounds are in. We just used a dolly and dollied them over. Wasn't bad at all, really. 2 guys. We're gonna, so kind of priority over here is to get this fence patched up because they've got a dog. And so we're gonna hack on this stump just a little bit with the saws. There's really not a lot of wood to cut through, honestly, with the, as hollow as it is. And yeah, we were setting up the chain thinking we might want to yank on it with a winch, but we're gonna take some wood off of it first. But yeah, going really well. Now we're gonna yank the stump. This is our setup. We're out to the winch, and we should be good. I think we're good.
Moving the truck.
Really?
Dragging the truck.
Wow. All right, we're not good. Plan 2. All right, round 2.
You look like.
You're doing good. Is the truck all right?
I mean, it's barely grinding that back here.
You're moving it pretty easy.
Huh?
You're only hung on a root.